Most entrepreneurs believe if they just post more on social media, their business is going to grow. But the truth is, social media alone won't grow your business. You can get likes, followers, and even go viral, but none of that's going to pay the bills unless you have the right system behind it. A lot of entrepreneurs go in posting on Instagram Reels and carousels and stories, and they don't get anything out of it, even if they get attention. And what's missing is the bridge between attention and sales. Here's what you need to understand. Social media is the front door. It gets people to notice you, but once they're inside, your website and your funnel need to guide them to the next action. To book a call, to buy a ticket, or sign up. Without the bridge, social media is just noise. First, you don't own your social media audience. Algorithms change, accounts get shut down, reach disappears overnight. If your entire business depends on Instagram or TikTok, you're building on rented land. That's not why you need a website that's why you need a website and email list. Assets you own. Second, social media doesn't sell it by itself. People might like your content, but if you don't know what to do next, they'll keep scrolling. That's why you need a website with a clear call to action. Book now, buy now, get started without a conversion path. Your audience stays just that, an audience, not clients. Third, social media is shallow. It's built for short attention spans, but buyers need depth. Case studies, testimonials, detailed offers that you can't deliver in a 60-second reel. And that's where your website comes in. It's the place where attention turns into trust. So remember, social media is powerful, but it's not enough. It's the spark, not the fire. If you want your business to grow, you need the system behind it. A strong website, a clear funnel, and an offer people actually want. Social media gets clicks, but your website gets clients.